how to tie the Hanson knot or the Hanson loop knot. So as you can see, I've got my cordage laid out in front of me into which we want to tie the Hanson knot or the Hanson loop knot. To the right hand side here is my working end. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull enough through to actually tie the knot itself. Once we've done that, we now take the working end and bring it around and pass it over our standing end. So as you can see now here, it's going here round over the top of the standing part and then down to my working end. Once we've done that, we then pass the working end up through that loop that we created there. So pass it up through that loop and then just pull through the excess. And as you can see, we've tied the simplest knot in the world. Now that we've done that, I then get hold of my working end, and the next thing, I'm just going to pull it up a little bit. Now that I've done that, I get hold of my working end and I'm going to pass my working end down through that gap there. So take the working end, pass it down through that gap, and you can see now here on the right hand side, this is the main loop of the Hanson knot that we've just created. And then once I've done that, I then take a little bit more through, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is take the working end and I'm going to bring it over the standing part like so. And then once we've done that, I'm going to take it underneath and bring it up through the middle there. So take it down underneath through the middle and then just pull up on it, and you can see now here we've got 2 parts of rope there. The next thing I'm going to do is take that working end and it's going to pass over that first one and underneath that second one. So pass it over, bring it underneath, and now we've tied the Hanson knot. And all it leaves now is just to pull it up nicely, and you'll see here, dress it smartly, and now we have a very secure loop knot on the end of our line. And so that's what it looks like on this side, and if I turn it over, that's what it looks like on the other side. And I just prefer this one a little bit over compared to the Bowline, simply for the fact is that the working end is tucked nicely out of the way. So here we have it, 1 in number, Hanson loop knot.